Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to stream with sound on Discord. But before that, please do not forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. First is join in a voice channel or call, and then simply go down below the voice connect and select share your screen. Make sure you select applications because screens will not allow you to share audio additionally. If for some reason you're not seeing your application or game that you want to share, it might be because that game or application is in full screen mode and that's preventing Discord from sharing it. So if it's a game, then go into settings and see if it has a non-full screen mode. If the audio is still not working, then open up the user settings by going down, select the gear, and then scroll down under app settings in the left menu and select voice and video. Scroll all the way down until we get to screen share, and you should toggle on the use experimental method to capture audio if it was toggled off. But if it's turned off, then you should turn that on and see if that fixes your issue. If that still didn't work, then try closing Discord, uninstall it, and then rebooting your computer. Reinstall Discord and see if that fixes your issue. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye!